Octo Beard Brush. Now, I am not great at math, but I believe this is called the Octo because it has 8 sides. This bad boy is made out of pear wood and real boar's bristles, and it has a medium firmness, meaning it's not too soft or it's not really gonna do anything, but it's also not too firm where it's gonna damage your beard hairs or the skin underneath. Now, this has so many uses and advantages for any beard length, any beard size, any beard density, and I would like to break those down for you. Now, for any beard at all, this is gonna do 2 things in a great way. Number 1 is it's gonna spread out product throughout your beard and evenly distribute that product everywhere you need it to go. Whether that's oil, balm, butter, wax, any kind of product at all, this thing is gonna get that going. And obviously having that product even throughout the beard and even the skin underneath, very important and very valuable. Number 2, and in my opinion, the most important aspect of a good beard brush is that it's going to be your finishing touches on the style. For me, the last thing I do with my whole routine in the morning is I take this brush and I sweep my mustache off to the side. I want that mustache off my lips, out of my mouth, but also to look clean, look purposeful, look stylish. And the best way to do that is with a boar's bristle brush. Now, also, when your beard usually is about a medium or shorter length, this is gonna be your all-over styling. I don't need it as much when I'm rocking this bigger beard and kind of have more of a natural style to it. So again, I don't really use this on a daily basis other than on my cheeks and on my mustache. But when you do have that shorter beard, another advantage is a huge one when it comes to the terms of health of your beard, and that would be exfoliation. This bad boy is gonna get through that hair and get down to your, oh, it feels so good, even on the cheeks right there. It's gonna get down to the skin and exfoliate. Now, what that's gonna do is a few different things. First off, it's gonna promote blood flow. When you do that, it is going to help and increase the rate of growth of your beard. When you're getting blood flow to the surface and getting it to the points where it needs it, it's gonna bring that nutrition and those nutrients to promote a great, healthy, fast-growing beard. Number 2, it's gonna get in there and physically churn up and really exfoliate anything that's in the pores that we don't want. Common examples would be salt, would be wax, would be dirt, or other things that just happen in life. You need to exfoliate, whether it's with a comb, an in-shower brush, or just a boar's bristle brush like this. This will get the job done in a great way. So there are many uses, many benefits to having a really well-made, also eco-friendly brush like this. And one thing that I love about the size is you can throw this in your pocket. You can throw this in your travel bag. You can put this in your car, right? You haven't been able to style your beard, getting ready to go into a meeting, and you just want to do those finishing touches in that car mirror. This is absolutely perfect and so well made by Volt Life-Proof Grooming. Now, speaking of Volt Life-Proof Grooming, if you guys don't mind, please consider subscribing to this YouTube, hitting a thumbs up on the video. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was entertaining, and I hope you'll check out the next video on this channel.